The principle is a raid between south of France and until Morocco. We have to reach Morocco and Marrakesh exactly in 1 week, and the main goal is to use this kind of car. You can see it's a Renault 4.
Yeah.
Ours come from 86, and the goal is to prepare the car as much as
possible. Yeah.
The University of Telford is helping us in this project, and especially UWR, so University of Wolverhampton Racing. They give us some tools.
Yeah.
They gave us some materials, like in the engine we add a new fan.
The University of Wolverhampton give us the protection plate in order to protect our engine during the race.
They cut it in Telford with the laser process, and they bend it for us too.
Then Nick, a technician, helped us to repair the chassis of the car, because the chassis had a lot of corrosion. So Nick used a welding machine in order to fix it.
And we can add too that they always gave us good advice, because we are only students. Even if we are in engineering, we don't know everything. And this kind of guys here know everything about cars. So this is really useful for us.